Have you ever noticed how some people seem to come alive the moment they begin tidying up their personal space? The sound of drawers sliding open, the fresh scent of clean laundry, the quiet joy of seeing a room slowly transform into order. It feels almost therapeutic. While others might view it as mere cleaning, to them it's something far deeper. It's peace, it's clarity, it's the sensation of taking control of life, one folded towel at a time. Perhaps that's you. You experience a calm that's hard to describe when everything is perfectly in place. You don't clean just to be neat. You clean to feel free again. Today, let's examine this. Why do certain people love organizing their homes? What occurs inside the mind and heart when someone feels joy just by looking at a neat, tidy room? And why is that so profoundly satisfying, almost healing for some of us? Let's start with a simple but often misunderstood truth. Loving to organize isn't only about neatness, it's about gaining control in a world that often feels unpredictable. Psychologically, our environment mirrors our inner state. When life feels chaotic or uncertain, tidying becomes a method of creating order outside. When internal chaos is unmanageable, the mind whispers, if I can make this corner peaceful, maybe everything else will feel right too. That's why after an argument or during stressful times, people often reorganize their closets or shift furniture around. It's not random, it's emotional regulation. In psychology, this relates to external control as a grounding technique. When emotions overwhelm, physical actions like folding clothes, vacuuming, or arranging books provide a sense of stability. It triggers the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Even small acts, making the bed, wiping a counter, aligning a shelf, can evoke unexpected pride or lightness. Your brain subtly celebrates each piece of order you create. For many, it's not just about feeling good. It's about feeling safe. A tidy home sends subconscious signals of security. Clutter can quietly trigger anxiety, representing unfinished tasks. Each item out of place whispers, you still have things to handle. For sensitive people, that whisper becomes noise. They organize not to impress others, but to quiet the internal chaos. It's a way of creating calm in a loud world. There's something psychological about the act itself. Organizing is predictable. You know the start, you know the end. There's a clear cause and effect. Move something, it looks better. That certainty is rare in emotional life. Outcomes are messy. People are unpredictable. When someone says, cleaning makes me happy, it often means it's one of the few things that truly makes sense. But not everyone who loves organizing seeks control. For some, it's a form of self-expression. Their home is their reflection. The way they arrange books, display plants, or fold towels isn't only about neatness. It's about beauty, creating art through space. In psychology, this ties to environmental self-identity. Their surroundings communicate who they are. When someone loves making their space beautiful, it's not vanity. It's a way of saying, this is peace for me. Some experience cleaning as mindfulness. It slows thoughts. They get lost in the rhythm, the broom swish, the flow of water, sorting patterns. In these moments, they stop thinking of yesterday or tomorrow. They simply exist. This is why organizing can feel meditative. It anchors you in the present. Your hands move, senses engage. It's active meditation without sitting still or closing your eyes. Another angle. The link between control and creativity. People who love organizing often have vivid imaginations. When creative energy builds without an outlet, it feels restless. Tidying channels it, turning chaos into order, thought into structure, creativity disguised as discipline. That's why after cleaning, many feel inspired to cook, write, or begin something new. A clear space gives the mind permission to dream again. Clutter occupies rooms and mental space alike. Not everyone who dislikes organizing is lazy. Not everyone who loves it is a perfectionist. There's no right or wrong. Different people find peace in different ways. Some thrive in chaos. Others are weighed down by even small piles. Both are valid.